Hello, welcome back to another video, and in this one, I'll be showing you how to voxelate any object in Blender using just a simple modifier. Enjoy the video. Alright, so I'm in Blender, and I'm just going to select a general file, and we won't be able to see this effect with just a cube because, you know, it's a cube. So I'm going to hit A and delete to delete everything. And then I'm going to go ahead and hit Shift A to add a new object. And under Mesh, I'm going to go down and select the monkey head. And now we have a nice monkey. And I'm going to go to the modifier section. And just for fun, I'm going to hit Add Modifier in the subdivision surface, just to smooth it out a little bit. But that's not what we're mainly going to be using. So I'm going to hit Add Modifier. And I'm going to select a Remesh modifier. And the one I want is going to be blocks. And then under the Octree depth thing, I'm going to click this up. And now we can see that we have something that resembles a monkey head. Just like this. And it really is just as simple as that. And this is how you would want to make a Minecraft landscape, by putting in a landscape and then just adding the simple remesh modifier with the block setting and then turning up the Octree depth. And that's as easy as it is. And you can do this with all kinds of objects. You can make cool objects with like an icosphere and kind of turn up the subdivision and then add a remesh, blocks, and easy way to make a block sphere. And it looks super cool in rendered view, especially if you're in the Cycles render engine, because I can just turn this down to black, this thing right here, and then I can add in a plane, GZ, and move it up, and then I can add in a new material and crank this up. And we get a super cool effect right here with really nice shadows. And this is how I made this scene right here. And that is basically all there is to it. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, hit like and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. And I hope to see you in another video. Bye.